Hey everybody, it's Henry's How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to make Spanish meatballs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on about 1 kilo of beef mince. Now if you prefer, you can do this with lamb mince or even chicken mince. So we'll set that aside for now. And we're going to bring across 1 brown onion. Slice through the middle. And we just want to finely dice this. Alright, and we'll add this straight to our mince. Next I'm going to bring half a handful of parsley and we just want to chop this. So roughly you want about 2 tablespoons worth of chopped parsley. Okay, and we'll add this straight to our mince as well. Okay, so we'll season this with about 2 teaspoons of salt, about 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and we'll crack in 1 whole egg. And all we're going to do is just mix this all together. So what we're going to do at this point, guys, is start forming these into meatballs. Alright, so we just want to make meatballs pretty much not as big as golf balls, but not quite as small as marbles either. So you want to go about that sort of size there. And we'll just continue forming all of these. Now if you find the mince is starting to stick to your hands, just have some warm water on the side and dip your hands into that. Okay, that's all our meatballs ready to go. So let's move on to our stove now. Alright guys, so just into a large pan on a medium heat, we'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil's hot, we'll add our meatballs straight in. Depending on the size of your pan, you may need to do this in separate batches. So all we're doing, guys, is browning them on all sides. And carefully turn them. Alright guys, so that's looking pretty good now. They're all nice and brown. So at this point I'm going to add in 1 cup of red wine. And you want to be careful of the flare up. Don't set your house on fire. Once all the alcohol burns off, we'll add in 2 cans of diced tomatoes. So I'm using 2 400 gram cans. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of fennel seeds. And we'll just add about half a cup to 1 cup of chicken stock. Next we'll add in 3 bay leaves. And all we want to do, guys, now, let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until our sauce has thickened up and our meatballs are cooked. Alright guys, so I'm at the 20-minute mark now. As you can see, our sauce has thickened up beautifully. Our meatballs are cooked all the way through because they're nice and firm. And I'm telling you, it smells so fragrant. So what we need to do is discard our bay leaves, turn the heat off, and let's go ahead and serve. Alright, so in my case I'm just going to serve it on a bed of risoni. Just like so. And we'll add some of our sauce straight on top. And let's finish it off with a touch of parsley. Beautiful. And that's all there is to it. I hope you like that, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.